નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to study subject English, Unit 1, The World of Flowers. The world of flowers. The name itself indicates that today we are going to learn about the flowers. Okay, now let's start with the activity 1. You can see over here there are general questions related to the flowers, which I think you can easily answer it. Let's start with the question 1. Write the names of 2 flowers you like. Now over here you have to write the flower which you like the most. Mine is lily and champo. Let's go for the another question. B. Talk to your friend and find out which flower he or she likes. Now this question you have to answer by asking your friend that which flower she likes or he likes. Note it down. Let's go with the third question, C. List 5 flowers both of you like. Now over here you have to list down the flowers which you both like. So list down the 5 flowers. Oh wow, a very simple activity which you can do by it yourself. Let's go with the other portion, activity number 2. Activity 2. Let's start the heading. Look at these pictures of flowers. Can you tell their names? Fill in the details in the table given below. Now over here you have to identify the flowers given over here. You can able to see. Then you have to tell their names, right? And at the end the table is given below. We will see later where you have to fill the details. So first of all, let's start with the identification of flowers. Identification means you need to identify which flower is this, right? Let's start. Do you know which flower is this? Can anybody guess? Okay, let me tell you. The first one is this one. This is marigold. Okay, let's go with the other identification of flower. Can you able to see the petals with the light pink color? Can you able to guess which flower is this? I think most of the students knows which flower is this. Very good. This is lotus. Let's go with the third one. Can you able to guess which flower is this? Okay, so this one is shoe flower with the red petals. Now let's go for the fourth one. Can you able to identify which flower is this with the white petals? Yes, very good. This is jasmine. Let's go for the fifth one. Oh wow, I think everybody knows, identifies this flower. Which one is this? Yes, this is sunflower. You can able to see these flowers at your nearby or at your place. Sunflowers moves according to the sun's direction. The last one. Can you able to identify which one is this? Okay, so this one is Palmeria, and in our language we can call Champa. Very good, students. I think you enjoyed this activity of identification of flowers, and most of you maybe identify the flowers. Now, what you have to do in further, you have to fill this column. So now you have done with the identification of the flowers. So you know the name of the flowers, right? So you have to list out over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in the other column, you have to write it down that where did you see these flowers. So over here you have to fill this. And in the last column, what do you like about that flower? You have to note it down over here. So we here end up with the activity number 2. Now let's start with the activity number 3. You can see at the A portion, let's start reading. Listen to your teacher as she reads the story. So over here, this one story is given about the magic garden. You have to listen it first. Then you have to read it silently by yourself. And the third one is C. Read aloud some parts as directed by your teacher. So first of all, let's look what is there in this story, the magic garden. Okay, can you able to answer some questions? Now tell me, what is garden? Do you know what is garden? Yes, garden is with plants, flowers and fruits. Garden is a place where different plants with beautiful flowers and sweet fruits can grow. Can you able to answer my second question? Who take care of the garden? Yes, very good. Gardener. Gardener take cares of our garden. Okay, now final question. Can you able to answer it? Do you water the plants? I think everybody waters the plant. So I think if you water the plant, then you are also a gardener, right? So this is the story regarding the magic garden. The story is about the garden. So now, in our other session, we will read the story about the magic garden. So your work for today is you need to answer these 3 questions, that what is garden, who take cares about the garden, and the final is, do you water the plants? These questions you have to list it down in your notebook and try to answer these questions. Okay. Now in our next session we will read the story first and then we will go for the explanation. So kids, like this, we have identified these flowers. But I think there are many flowers which you can identify, maybe which you can know. So the best thing is you can visit your friend's home or either your school playground, or you can visit your nearby nursery farm where there are many flowers and you can identify those flowers, and maybe it is possible you can learn more about the flowers. So I think this we can do with many other ways. So kids, we have learned about the flowers in activity 1 and activity 2. This one you can do it by yourself in chart. You can make or prepare a beautiful calendar type flowers, and the project you can do by it yourself. Thank you for joining us.